Hamus Nature Preserve and Recreation Area is a beautiful park facility on Marshfield's north side. It has a stocked pond for fishing, paved areas for walking, as well as many beautiful flowers. Floyd Hamus sold the land the Nature Preserve now sits on. Floyd Hamus sold the land the Nature Preserve now sits on to the Marshfield Electric and Water Department with the condition that the land be developed as a park. Floyd contributed the proceeds actually from that sale back to the park fund with the expressed intent of using the fund to pay for the development of the park. The park cost over $600,000 and the fund continues to support that park on an annual basis. This was donated by Pat and Floyd Hamus, as well as many other community individuals and businesses. We have a beautiful new park today for all to enjoy.